What's up, guys? Mark here at Wired Kustoms Motorsports. We just got, I almost fell. We just got done cutting out a template, and this is for a 2011 Challenger. We have it traced out and already cut out into wood. And then we used our little handy CNC over here, as you can tell, to cut out a biohazard symbol for a customer. We changed up our plan a little bit, and because of how wide the angles are, we're just going to transfer it onto this piece right here.
Please check out some cavities. Have Dr. Change
that way it can be all one piece. We'll be adding some plexiglass behind it and frosting it using a method with sandpaper, and then adding some white lights. That way it can light up for him when he goes to these car shows. If you guys have any questions or want something like this for your car, you don't have to be toxic, but it has to be wired.